See guys, I'm discuss very important topic, how to advertise your website. Nothing but how to promotion technique we using for your website purpose. The website promotion will be using for Twitter. There is a social media optimization. The social media optimization, how to we can promote our website. Now here, if you go to your website, in this one I'm selecting for any kind of services or any kind of blogs. Here, just you can promote here. Just and go to any one page here. In this page, so here, how to list your small business on being places for in this business. Select this option. This post I'm sharing on the Twitter wall. Search here, just copy, scroll down. Now click for where? Twitter. Now copy this one. Here I'm asking for writing for digital Rakesh. This channel belongs to for Rakesh Tech Solutions. Here, just I'm clicking for business hashtag, Bing hashtag here. Now click for tweet. So when the tweet, they go to your Twitter wall. Now my tweets are 2660. Click for tweet. In this one, come to here. See. How to they will be post in this Twitter to the website to Twitter. See how to show in post. Very small thumbnail, but user can't understand your thumbnail. Why? See the first one, the second one, is the third one. Here multiples are there. See here. So coming to this one, how to understand this image? Very neat and clear. So coming to here, very neat and clear. This is only for image. But how to promote my website? I'll show you which is last thumbnail. When click the thumbnail, when click the image, they're going to where? Our website. Go to where? Our website. That is called, I can promote will be like this. So they're showing for in this option. That is called, please write down URL. The option call is Twitter cards. Please write down URL in this. as.twitter.com as.twitter.com cards underscore manager. Don't do any kind of spelling mistakes. It's a very important URL. Please write on it. I'm increase the font. Wait for a second. Don't forget this URL. We increase on you. Please write on URL. as.twitter.com/cards underscore manager /18 CE 54 5M V2H /cards /website is capital letter. As it is, please write down. Here, when enter this code, we are shown for option call is create card. Here, first look this one. If you go into the post in the Twitter, they show an option called what? Add photo or video, GIF images, select for add poll, select for your location tagging. In this create a card, see this one, website card. In this we can select for video website card, promote for image app card, second will be video app card. In this one, I'm selecting option call is website card. Now here, first of all, in this one, I'm selecting for in this image. Why? Because I need the image. Same posting I will show the with the last thumbnail. Select the image, save on your desktop with your proper folder. This one, Bing mapping is done. Now here, select your first of all title, copy, go to your cards. First, what is it selecting for? Image, where? On your desktop. Which one? The name is called Bing mapping. Select here. Proper folder. Here, Bing mapping. Maybe adding. Select here. Stop. After that, your headline. Next one, your card name will be same name. Next one, copy this URL, paste it. Click for, before paste here, copy the same title. Click for create. After create, see card was created here. Next one here, what option call is? Tweet. If you are promoting through ads, enable for promote only. But I'm going to the organic market. Disable for promote only option. Just copy this one. I select for the ash will be small business. Bing places. Ash for business by Ash. Mr. Rakesh. Ash. Bing mapping. Ash Bing. Ash. Digital marketing. Ash. Digital marketing course. Is done. In the option call is click for tweet. The tweet done. Where will check? Go to Twitter profile. In this option call is go to tweets. The tweets just come scroll down. See it. Showing for last thumbnail. Previous small thumbnail now is showing for last thumbnail. What is showing here? rakeshtechsolutions.com. Here, just come to your home page. Come to your home page. See, look here. Anything different? Is a kilo.com. This is the www.rakeshtechsolutions.com. Is it clear? This is called promote your website with the large thumbnail. So always remember your website as promote or advertise. Totally we can show for the image is the highlight thing. After image highlighting, we are showing for 4 options. First option, share via direct message. Send to the one by one your friends. Second thing, copy link to tweet. You can share for other social network. Where? Other social network. Next one, embed tweet. The purpose of the copy this content promoted by your websites with the embed code. Fourth one, always this post will be your profile top. That is called pin to your profile page. Always showing for which one? Your profile top. So clear? In an organic way, we can promote only for 4 options. One is called share via direct message. So I'm clicking in this option. Select any persons here. I'm selecting for multiple persons. Here, click for next. I'm selecting how many members? 1 plus 3, total 4 members. Click for send. Along with image, you have send here. Anything is possible? Why? Because all link will be there. We can't go with the by image. Now click for send. So this message is for how many members? Totally 4 members. Totally 4 members. Now here, click for close. If anything get the reply, they get in for nice or I follow the your channel. This is called promote your website on Twitter profile. Don't forget this URL for making the website cards with the large image purpose. This is called you can promote your website on Twitter profile wall. So here, suppose Twitter is not accepted this card. You can use one more website called anyimage.io. This website we can use it for your website showing for with the large thumbnail purpose. Now here, first of all, browse your image. Select your image. Go to your website. Copy this URL. The same part they showing for destination URL is one. How many characters support? 115 will be title. Description will be 140 characters. Select here. Copy. Copy here. Here. By Rakesh. For that, select your small or large. I'm selecting for large size. Select it. Next here. Select your where you can paste Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google Plus. Select your option where Twitter. Click for finish. Finish here. It's going to computing. Yes, file was going to computing here. See here. Just copy. Twitter. They're going to where? They're going to where? Or Twitter part. The Twitter. Copy this. The title is a mandatory field. That's the title. Paste it. Click for next. Go to Twitter. My tweets are there right now. 2662. Now increase the one. 2663. Refresh. Done. Now comment here. Is it clear? This is the one is called Twitter direct option. Second thing will be using for another website. Anyimage.io. Is it clear? This two way we can promote your website on the Twitter wall with your large image. After sharing to direct message, share on your other social network, promote your option call is message from your website. Last one will be profile highlight page.